In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio in Microsoft OneNote. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture voice notes, keep them tied to your written notes, and play or manage your recordings with confidence on the Windows desktop version of OneNote, often called Modern OneNote. Start by opening OneNote and navigating to the page where you want your recording to live. Think of the page as the home for both your voice and your typed notes, so pick the section and page that make the most sense for your topic. Along the top ribbon, click the Insert tab. This is where OneNote groups tools that add content to your page. Look for the option labeled Audio or Record Audio. The name can vary slightly depending on your version. Click it once. Recording begins immediately, and you'll see an audio icon appear on your page along with a small recording toolbar. Speak normally and at a comfortable distance from your microphone. You don't have to project or lean in. OneNote captures your voice as you talk. If you're in a quieter space, your results will be clearer, but don't worry if you're taking notes in a meeting or a classroom. OneNote handles everyday environments well. While you're recording, you can keep typing. This is especially helpful for marking key moments as they happen. OneNote links your typed notes to the timeline of the audio, so later, clicking those notes helps you jump to the exact point in the recording. It's a great way to revisit important details without scrubbing through the entire clip. When you're finished, click Stop on the recording toolbar. Your audio is saved automatically and embedded right on the page, so there's nothing else to save or export. To listen back, simply double-click the audio icon on the page. Playback starts right away. Depending on your OneNote version, you may see additional playback controls that let you pause and continue as needed. If you've typed during the recording, try clicking your notes to jump around the audio. This is where the linked timeline really shines. If you want to remove a recording, right-click the audio icon and choose Delete. That action removes the clip from the page. If you're organizing your notes and you prefer to keep the page tidy, you can also just leave the audio where it is and rely on the playback linkages to find what you need quickly. That's all there is to it. Open your page, insert audio, speak, stop, and then playback or manage the clip right from the page. With this simple workflow, you can capture ideas, lectures, or meetings in real time and revisit the exact moments that matter most.